Have you ever wondered how you can make money online with no money and without building a complicated website? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that step by step. And the best part about this, it's completely worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can do this particular method. So let's jump into my computer. If you have no money, this is perfect for you. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step. All right, guys, welcome back. This is going to be one of the best tutorials you've ever seen online on how to make money. If you don't know who I am, my name is Franklin and I earn a full-time living online. And what I like to do is show people what I do and how they can make money online so they can potentially start their own online business and generate an online income. I feel that it's important that people teach this stuff in a very detailed manner so you learn everything you need to know to make money online step by step, and that's what I'm here to do. And for this method, guys, you will not need any money to start this, and you will not need a website. This is a major roadblock that a lot of people have, so you won't need any money for this, and obviously a website costs money, so you won't need a website to do this. I'm going to show you how to do this without having these two roadblocks. It is possible to start online with $0 to start. And I'm going to show you exactly how and prove it to you in this video. Now, this is a simple 3-step process, okay? I'm going to take you through a few simple steps that's going to help you grow your money tree online. So it's very important, and I cannot stress this enough, that you watch this entire video all the way to the end so you know exactly what to do, because if you don't, you could possibly miss out on some very important information, and this might not work as well for you if you miss out on that information. So let's jump into this video right now. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you know my next video comes out, because I bring out videos every single week. And let's jump into this training. So this is a 3-step process like I mentioned, and we need to go and do step 1, which is extremely simple. We need to go and find a product online that we can promote for a commission. Now, how this works is you actually have a custom link. You might already know this, but we'll go over it briefly. You have a custom link that you send people to. When people click on that custom link, if they purchase something from that custom link and they pay the vendor, you also get a commission in return. And I'm going to show you how you can get 50% commissions. That's right, 50% commissions, not 1 commission, not 2 commissions, 50% commissions. Now, the problem is, where do you actually find these products that you can get commissions from? There's hundreds of places where you can find them. I've talked about them in many videos, but in this particular video, I'm going to show you where you can find these products before they actually launch, so you can get the upper hand and unfair advantage and make money with this method. So the first thing you want to do is head over to a website called muncheye.com and get familiar with this website. What this website does is it shows you products that are launching into the marketplace very soon. But before we actually jump into this and have a look around, I want to go over some criterias. Okay, this is quite important. We want to find products that pay you up to $100 per sale, because all we would need is 1 sale per day to make $100 or more. It must have at least $5,000 in prize money. We'll talk about that in a second. It's really cool. You can actually get prize money for this. It must have a lot of resources, which we'll also talk about in a second. At least 50% commissions it's paying. And you need to kind of understand the product, but I'll show you how to understand the product if you don't understand the product. So the first thing you want to do is go to muncheye.com. And what happens is this actually tells you of products that are getting launched into the marketplace soon. So they haven't actually been launched yet, which is good for us. We're going to actually take advantage of this. Now, let me show you something really, really crazy. So this product here is launching soon. And what happens is that they're actually giving away 40% commissions, which is pretty good as well. People can make up to $900 per sale, but more importantly, they're giving away $1 million in cash to the top 10 or top 3 prize winners or whatever, right? The people that bring in the most sales, they actually give out prize money as well. This affiliate marketing thing is crazy, and a lot of people don't even realize that this thing exists. So this is just an example of a really awesome product that's getting launched soon. But this product is not the one that we're going to be talking about in this training. So what I want to do is go back to muncheye.com, and what we're actually going to do, I'm going to show you how to pick a specific product for this, and then I'm going to show you the next 2 steps. So if you scroll down, it shows you that there's some products launching. You want to do this on products that are launching in like a week or 2, not tomorrow or not the next day, at least a week or 2 or 3 or 4 weeks away. Okay, so this one here from Neil Napier is launching in 2 weeks. Now, this product is just going to be an example. I'm going to show you this as an example. I'm not saying that you're going to make money from this particular product, but I'm just showing you the steps so you can make money online with this method. So I'm going to click on this, Neil Napier, and it's going to actually bring up his product here. So it's got all of the information. You can make up to $144 per sale. And it's got a nearly 50%. I mean, 1% difference doesn't really matter. But you want to click on the JV page. On the JV page, it gives you all the information of the product. Okay, this is like, let me just get rid of this. That's a pretty cool video. So bank up to $144 per sale. And they got $5,000 in prize money, which is good. And then the dates that they're launching. Now, if you go down, you can get put on the notification list so you know all the dates and you know the dates that you need to know. But here you want to go request your affiliate links and you want to click on this and you're going to get a custom affiliate link, okay? This is going to be your custom affiliate link that you send people to so you can get paid a commission. So just put on here, log in if you already have an account here, or you can actually go sign up here, and this is called JV Zoo. Once you've got your link, just keep that, you know, you're going to need that soon, okay? What I also like about this particular product is he actually tells you about the product, and this is going to be helping us with getting traffic to this product, okay? And he also has a demo of the product and what it does and how it works. So we need to get familiar with the product. Even if you don't know about the product, you can get familiar with the product just by this particular page. That's why it's important to get a product that has a lot of information on the page so you can get familiar with it. So we'll use this product as an example, but like I said, there are actually a lot of products on muncheye.com that you can do this method with, and I'll explain to you how you can do it to a lot of products at the end of this video. But for now, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to explain to you the next step. So I'm going to go to the JV page just like I showed you before. This is called a joint venture page. What you're doing is you're helping this person promote his product and he's going to give you a commission. Now, what's the next step? Okay, the next step is simple. We need to go and create simple content for this before it gets launched into the marketplace. So how do we do that? What you want to do is you want to simply go to a website called renderforest.com. Okay, that's renderforest.com. And we can create free videos, and I'm going to show you how to create these free videos so we can get traffic to this product and link, okay? Now, this is free for up to 300 megabytes of storage, 360p videos. So if you do want to do this long term, you will have to pay a little bit of a fee to upgrade, but you can do this for completely free. You can create unlimited videos up to 3 minutes. Okay, super simple to do. So just go to create or sign up and create an account. And then what we're going to be doing is creating these simple videos. And I'll show you an example of what I have done. But you can go and find a template to use. Okay, so there's hundreds of different types of templates. I'm going to click on this one, which is the whiteboard animation toolkit. And I'm going to go create now. And what you can actually do is create videos based on the particular product. I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll show you an example that I've done, and then we'll use that example to get traffic to this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you can actually pick a specific scene. So I'm going to pick this one here. Okay, and then I'm going to go down to insert scene. Now, you're kind of creating like a bit of a promo video. It doesn't have to be long or anything like that. I'll show you an example in a second. But you want to kind of like create a hook. The people that are going to be viewing this particular video are people that are searching for things based around this product. So I'm going to go down, and what this product does is it creates content for people automatically. It's like a software. So I'm just going to actually copy this, and I'm going to go down to back to the video, and we're going to put looking to get content that makes you money. And then I'm going to just click down here and it'll render out the template here. So you can see the green bars moving and it's doing its thing. Then I'm going to go down to, and you can see looking to get content that makes you money. Then I'm going to click on this little green arrow and I'm going to add another slide. There's so many you can add. corporate mail. There's just so many you can add. Female, casual characters, logo animations, all of these animations that we can create. I'm going to go to this one and I'm going to go insert scene and I'm going to go lucky for you, Content Gorilla just released and it's insane. Okay, and now I'm going to click that again. Sorry guys, my internet stopped. So what you want to do is you want to keep creating slides based on this particular product, and we'll come back in a second and I'll explain to you what type of stuff you want to create because it kind of ties in with the traffic that we're going to be getting. But what I want to quickly do is show an example of one that I actually created for this tutorial. So this has some music and it goes, do you need amazing content quickly? This is 40 seconds, I won't play the whole thing. But you can see it automatically does everything for you. Lucky for you, Content Gorilla just released. You don't have to use your own face, you don't have to use your own voice. You could pay for a voiceover if you wanted to, add a little bit of extra kind of wow to it. Get content created that's ready in 60 seconds. Now the sound will stop in a second because we made it stop. So the sound stopped, you can actually add more. Get content that converts like crazy with Content Gorilla. So you can see kind of the structure that I've done, right? And then let's watch this. Get started with Content Gorilla, link below. So let me explain to you how this all works and why we've done this video. And we'll come back to this video. We need to go back to the actual traffic bit now. The next step is we want to go and get free traffic to this offer. But how do we get traffic when the product hasn't even launched yet? It would make no sense. So what happens is when the product actually launches, something kind of magical happens. Big affiliates that have a huge email list actually go and promote the product via emails to their email marketing list. And a large proportion of those people that get that email, they never buy a product straight away. What they do is they actually go to places like Google, YouTube, and stuff like that, and they want to find reviews or information on the particular product before they purchase. So they'll leave the email that the big affiliate sent out, they'll go and search for information, then they might click your link, and then we call it jacking the commission. You basically jack that guy's sale because they clicked on your link. So you take his affiliate marketing sale. He still makes money because a lot of people still buy through him, but a large proportion of people will go and search online. So what do we do so we can go out there and actually get a few of these sales to make money with this offer? What you want to be doing is creating a video based on based on specific keywords like Content Gorilla review and stuff like that. So you want to basically use this video. I'm not going to take you through exactly what to do. You can think of that yourself and go and see other examples online. But you take people through by creating a sales video with this and adding some bonuses and things like that. And then when people click on your link, you get a commission. So how do we actually get the traffic? Let me show you by uploading a video that I have created, okay? So when this launches, people are going to be going crazy and they're going to be looking for information. So this is what we want to do. We want to use YouTube to get our traffic because people are going to be searching. So I'm going to go into Content Gorilla review here, and you'll see that the reason I use Content Gorilla review is because it actually launched last year. And I want to show you some of the views. 6,000 views, 2,000 views, 3,000 views, 2,000 views, 1,000 views. And these are actually people doing this similar thing to what I just showed you here. So if we actually look at this one, this is literally like the exact thing I'm teaching you, just a different kind of format. And if we go down here, there's a link. There's a link right here that if people click this and go to the product, he's going to get a commission, okay? So they launched this last year and they're launching it again. Remember, this is just an example. I'm not saying go and do it with this product. There's hundreds of other products that you can go and do it with on Munchai. So the next step is you want to create a YouTube channel, and you want to go to create and you want to upload the video. Now I'm gonna what you need to do is export the video by going, once you've made your video, go to preview and go to free preview, and then what it will do is it will render that video and then you can download that video once it's rendered, and then you can go and upload it to YouTube, okay? Like I said, this isn't a training on exactly what to put in the video. Go and see what other people were doing, like that guy that I just showed you where he did an example where he talked about the product. So I'm just gonna upload the video, and I'm gonna show you how to optimize this video to get traffic, okay? So let me go. So the first thing is the title. That's very, very important. The title is very important. I've got some keywords here that we're gonna be using. So the main keyword is gonna be Content Gorilla and Content Gorilla Review. So I'm gonna put Content Gorilla Review. Do you want to buy Content Gorilla? Watch this now. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting Content Gorilla Review. This is a keyword that people are going to search online and YouTube and stuff. Do you want to buy Content Gorilla? The reason I put buy Content Gorilla, guys, trust me, I know how to optimize videos. Go and check my videos in this channel. I rank for a lot of stuff. We get hundreds and thousands of views a month. So just trust me when I say I know how to get traffic to these types of videos. So buy Content Gorilla. The reason I used buy is because I have, people are going to be searching buy Content Gorilla. How to buy Content Gorilla, Content Gorilla bonus and stuff like that. So you could put, watch this now, get bonus pack. And you could also give away a bonus pack if you like as well. Then you also want to do a description. I'm not going to do it right now, but you also want to do a description in the video with some keywords as well. Go and see what other people have done. Then what you want to do is the tags are an extremely important part of this. Go down to more options and you want to add some video tags. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm just going to start adding in these. These are the video tags. What happens is this helps YouTube optimize for these specific keywords. So when someone goes and searches after they have found out about the product, I'm just going to put one more in. Then they're going to go into YouTube and stuff and they're going to search for this product. Now, these are some of the keywords that I recommend you use, and you can use these for other products as well. Content Gorilla Review, Content Gorilla, buy Content Gorilla, how to buy Content Gorilla, Content Gorilla bonus, Content Gorilla bonus pack, how to get Content Gorilla, what's inside Content Gorilla. Then all you do is you upload a thumbnail and you go to next, and you go to next, and then you go to public and you post that video. So let me just show you kind of how you get the traffic, because a lot of people still probably don't really understand. So I've gone and posted the video, right? There's two ways that I mainly get traffic with this, is people are going to search Content Gorilla Review. But what a lot of people don't understand is if someone watches this video, for example, right? Even if you don't rank, other videos like this one, Content Gorilla Review here, Content Gorilla Review, one of my videos there. Other videos related to this are going to show up. So even if someone watches this video, they might see your video down here and watch that instead, and you might get a commission. Okay, so that's the traffic source that we use. Now, are you going to make money instantly with this? No, because it does take time for this to actually work. This is not a get rich quick scheme or anything like that, but you can eventually consistently make money. And this guy right here, Jono, so this is actually someone that I know. He's a good friend of mine. As far as I'm aware, he actually makes an incredible amount of money from reviewing these products right here from muncheye.com, which is that website I'm talking about right here. He makes a pretty good amount of money from doing it. So what you need to do is you need to build it up. Like obviously it's going to be very slow at the start, but build it up and go and do as many products as you can to make money. This is free. You can make as many free videos as you want. So I've just taken you through a method that's completely free with very, very simple steps. If you want some more tutorials on how to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so when my next video comes out. If you have any questions, let me know below and I'm happy to answer them for you.